Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamualaikum, my friends. Welcome in KZ. Today we will learn how to make a simple, easy, delicious, quick, and little bit spicy bread recipe. Because I'm gonna use some spices, chili sauce, and boiled chicken, and also capsicum in it. Let's start the preparation of our dough. I have added 1/4 cup oil, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 egg. I'm using 1 whole egg. Whisk it little bit. Now we will add in it some lukewarm water, about 1.5 cup. Again mix it. Now we will add 3 teaspoon instant yeast. Mix well. Now here I have 3.5 cup measured all-purpose flour. Let's make some place for our mixture. We will add our mixture in the center of this flour and we will knead it very well. You can use your hands and also you can use any spatula. I'm using my hands for kneading this dough. You can see. Now we will knead it on our counter. Grease the surface with oil and also grease your dough. Follow the steps as it is. Keep folding and keep kneading. When we knead our dough properly, the result of our bread would be 100%. Like this. Now we will leave it about 45 minutes. We will cover our dough. Now it's done. It's not sticking. Okay. Degas our dough. Knead little bit more. Fold it. Like this. Now we will make its portions. I will divide it in 3 equal parts. Okay. Let's separate these parts. Let's fold these again. Just pull their edges and keep them or press them in center. And also fold with your hands. Roll. Now it's ready. I left these portions of dough about 20 minutes further. And now I'm rolling these portions again. Spread little bit. And now fold its all sides towards the inside. Refold all of your peras. Follow the process as it is. Now it's time to spread our dough. We will spread it. Now I'm adding some julienne cut capsicum. I'm using green capsicum. Spread evenly. Now I am spreading boiled and shredded chicken. Now it's shredded cheese. I'm using mozzarella cheese. Tap or press this filling so it couldn't come out from our bread. Like this. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt some black pepper, and also some crushed red chilies. This bread is gonna be a little bit spicy, and also drizzle some chili sauce, and also it's gonna be a little bit tangy or more spicy. Okay, now it's ready to fold. Let's fold our bread like this, evenly folded, and don't press it too much. Now put it in center and pinch its edges. Now it's ready. Now it's sealed. Let's cut this bread into the center like this and separate its parts like this. Now we will give it folds. Just lightly we have to tackle this bread and pinch its ends together. Now it's ready. Place in your baking tray. Now here I have 1 egg yolk and 1 tablespoon milk. I am brushing. If you don't want to use egg yolk, so you can only use milk. Let's cut another bread. With same process, we will fold it and now seal its ends. I have put my first bread for baking. That is going to be ready. MashaAllah, it's ready. MashaAllah. Beautiful color and beautiful fragrance. Its look is really very good and so soft. I baked it in a big wok. Inspected, its result is 101% perfect. Okay, viewers, see you soon with another delicious and gorgeous recipe. You can check the result of my bread. So, till then, Allah Hafiz.